gold just broke its all-time high. Silver's marching up, and I just made over $40,000. Let me tell you how you can do it too.
International Stacker.
Hey everybody, International Stacker here. Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because many of you aren't. Help me beat that YouTube algorithm, and I'm gonna tell you how I did this and how you can do it too. But first I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions and my strategy that I'm sharing with you. My disclaimer's in the description below. Please, you're responsible for your own actions, and don't rage at me. Stop raging at me. Okay, so first off, ladies and gentlemen, what had happened? What did I do? So I've got this spreadsheet here that I track every single purchase that I have ever done, okay? At the bottom, it tells me total fiat invested in silver. That's total fiat invested in gold. That's the average spot price for gold I paid, average spot price for silver I paid, total ounces in gold, total ounces in silver. And I was misstating this. I was saying I was around 6,500, but I forgot I'd sold those American Silver Eagles. And this actually shows the total weight in American LBS pounds. Okay, so my dollar cost average for silver is $18.54 an ounce. That includes shipping, taxes, everything, even like care products, capsules, things like this. My average is $13.25 for gold. So I made this calculation here where I can plug in the current spot, and ladies and gentlemen, silver is $24.28. But I thought you said not to buy silver. What the heck? Don't worry, I'm gonna fill you in on that, okay? But silver is $24.28. It hasn't been this high since before 2013. Gold is $1937.22. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an all-time record for this little piece of metal. All-time record. All-time record. At least in American history times. Who knows? Maybe back in the day there was a crazy valuation. Who knows? Maybe some Egyptians got really, really rich. So basically what I did with this calculation is I took the current spot prices, I minused my dollar cost average from them, then I times them by my total ounces. So that's equity. Now technically I have not made this money or made this fiat currency because I have not sold my metals, but this is how much my equity has gone up. So I have 111,000 physical dollars into silver, but now it's worth $135,000 or $136,000. I have a total of $13,000 invested into gold, and 13, so 16, 17, 19, almost 20,000 that's become. So my equity just these last few days has increased by $40,000, and boy, is it sweet. If you go to a bunch of my videos in the past, you'll see how people had left comments saying I was wrong. You know, you're never gonna make your money. Silver's gonna keep going down to $9 an ounce, blah, blah, blah. Same thing with gold. Why am I into gold and silver? Thousands of years of history as monetary metals. Thousands of years of history. I do not usually believe in gold and silver as investment. I see it as a hedge against inflation and a way to preserve your wealth. Are there investment opportunities for it? Yes, I believe so, but for me, that's not the primary use case. That way I protect myself, protect my buying power, and then if investment comes out of it, bang, by all means. So what am I doing? All-time high, silver's headed higher. What am I doing? I am just like that hashtag Braveheart meme. Hold. I am holding. And why IS are you holding? You're an idiot. Silver and gold's going crazy. It's going to go to the moon. There's no pullbacks coming. Ladies and gentlemen, I think there is a pullback coming. And I'm not even speaking from a technical analysis and a charting position, okay? I'm speaking purely from we're in the middle of a crazy pandemic, hashtag beer flu, which that hasn't happened since 1918 the way it is now. And we have not shut down society like this ever since probably 1918. 2, we have another round of historic stimulus coming in. And 3, we're in an election year. And whether you like Trump or hate Trump, it doesn't matter. The fact is people will do anything to get him out of office. So I took those 3 major factors in why I think that we're going to have a pullback in silver. But even from a technical analysis, if you look at my past video where I said, stop buying gold and silver, and I told you my strategy and why I was doing that, I have all kinds of comments on there, guys. A lot of them agree with me, and a lot of them don't. And the ones that don't are like a lot of them are super aggressive. But there's actually some cogent and actual responses that aren't aggressive, but they explain their point. And I've had people through technical analysis tell me a pullback is due, and then I've also had people through technical analysis tell me it's not and it's going to go up. But what goes up must come down. Do I think silver is going to go down and continue to go down? No, I'm looking for a short-term pullback, which I consider a buying opportunity. But wait, there's huge premiums on all the online bullion dealer shops, and a lot of them are out of silver. Even if it drops to 16, you're going to be paying a $15 premium. That might be true there, but I just recently came out with a video, which I'll try to remember to link in this video somehow, or I'll put out the end of this video, that shows you how right now, and during this whole past month when premiums have been crazy, and in the future, you can go get gold and silver for the lowest premium possible. And yes, even closer at spot. I've been doing it for the last 2 months, or actually 2 months now, okay? So that's what I'm expecting. Can silver continue to go up before the correction happens? Yeah. Can I be wrong? 100%. But anyone in technical analysis or of any kind of stock or bond or whatever will tell you that when things go parabolic, what's parabolic? That's parabolic. When things go parabolic, you expect to be a pullback, and it's actually healthy for a pullback of some sort, okay? Am I a charting expert? No. What do I use charts for? Mainly, I use them to look at long-term trends, to see where things were at in the past. But by all means, this is not anything to do, let me switch this to 1 week. Anything to do with that. So we have not been at this level 14 since 2013. So it's crazy. It's crazy. But when you see something parabolic like this, usually you're gonna see some sort of correction. The important thing is we've made higher highs, so now we look for higher lows, and then that sets the trend for a bull market. We want higher highs and higher lows, and we've just had a higher high. So if we have a pullback and it's a higher low, that's actually a healthy and a good thing for silver. If you're talking about charting, a lot of people don't even believe in charting and looking at it this way because it's so manipulated. There was one commenter that had talked about that and said, JP Morgan, all these people are under investigation for different issues with silver manipulation. So therefore they're at the point where it's like a catch-22. They're damned if they do, damned if they don't. So they're just letting it run to the moon. Otherwise they're gonna get caught. Okay, that argument kind of makes sense. I think it's been manipulated for so long, I look at it like a rubber band. Eventually that rubber band is gonna get rotted and fatigued, and eventually it's gonna snap. And I think we might be close to that point. So, that's kind of my outlook on that. Can I be wrong? Yes. Can I be right? Yes. Do I hope I'm right? Yes. If I'm wrong, are you guys going to terrorize me in the comments on that video and this video forever? 100%. It's not easy, guys, to put your opinions out there. You get shredded in the comments. Go read some of these comments I get. Let's do one thing. Let's look at the gold to silver ratio. All right, let's see where the current gold to silver ratio is. 83. Look at this drop. 83. Wow. What is the gold to silver ratio? That means for 1 ounce of gold, this is not 1 ounce, I know, but for 1 ounce of gold, how many ounces of silver it would take to trade? So right now it's looking like it's 83 ounces. So 83 ounces of silver equals 1 ounce of gold. Folks, this was over 100 not long ago. I'm actually going to do a video on playing the gold to silver ratio and kind of explain it. I've seen people do it recently, which was counterintuitive to what it should be. Oh, look here, it's live, 79. You do not want to trade silver into gold when it's high. You want to trade it into when it's low. And if you do it properly, you end up with way more gold than you would have had. So anyways, guys, that's kind of the end of this video. My philosophy, what I'm looking at. But boy, is it sweet. Boy, is it sweet to do that. And, it's just crazy, guys. It's crazy to actually be here. We've all been preparing for this for years, and we're finally almost there. Let's not celebrate too early because this could disappear overnight. I'm waiting for, and in fact, I hope this disappears overnight. I want to pull back into the teens. When that happens, I'm going to back up the truck, load up, and prepare for its march upwards. Gold made its all-time high, and ladies and gentlemen, I don't think silver's that far behind either. I even said in one of my last videos, the one about don't buy silver, I think, or stop buying silver. I even said I think it can this year break 50, and I don't think that's an underestimate. I think we could hit all-time highs. So let's see. Let me know below what you think. Am I crazy? Am I a stubborn idiot for waiting for a drop? Am I insane? Is IS a loser? Or do you love me? Let me know in the comments below, but please be nice. I have feelings. I have feelings. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback on this. Please like, comment, and smash that like button and subscribe. And I guess I'll say, catch you on the next one. Or rich.
One stacker on a journey.